guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm with James, Jam Master.
And no, James JMC. And we are Cringe Brothers and we're not doing anything.
Right, we are doing a kids science experiment. So
It's Kid Labs kitchen science. You can do this yourself. You get to spend 20 quid.
right, we need, can you go get a teaspoon?
So we need a
Can you go get a
from the
teaspoon?
kitchen.
Can you go get a teaspoon? Right, we have our tray of goodness. Right, tray of goodness.
It's coming to me.
We have our
Volcano.
what's next on the list?
Blue food colouring. We're going to make the world's first blue volcano.
Right, what do we add first? Blue food colour.
No. No, add the washing up liquid first.
Okay.
Baking soda. Do we have baking soda?
Yeah, it's right there.
It's baking powder.
So that may have been too much, but oh look, bubbles!
Yeah. So they don't want to die. For probably nothing. They don't want to die. Am I going to put that in there?
Not as easy as it looks. No. Right, what's next?
Place the volcano on a flat tray. Cover the table with old newspaper. Put 2 teaspoons full of baking powder, baking soda. 2 teaspoons.
2.
What are you eating? Bubblegum.
Bubblegum in a dish. How many wishes do you wish?
And then add a few drops of washing up liquid and red food colouring. This will make the lava effect look more dramatic. The washing up liquid slows down the eruption and makes the volcano. No! Slowly pour the teaspoon of vinegar. Teaspoon
of vinegar.
That's not a teaspoon.
Yes, it is.
Slowly, and then slowly pour the teaspoon and then into bubbly. Watch it erupt with bubbly lava. You can continue to add more vinegar to cause more lava to erupt. So guys, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that's amazing. Just pour it all in. Just pour some in. So this is terrible.
Right, baking soda.
Stop, women. That's way too much.
More vinegar. Let's get more.
Ruben, stop. You're going to destroy it.
More baking soda. One more.
No, what are you doing?
Extreme. Extreme, boys.
Ruben, stop. You're going to waste. That's really expensive vinegar, you know. You wasted loads of it.
And as you can see, the chemical reaction of vinegar is massive. Let's pop a lemon in there.
What are you doing? Then eat it.
Try.
No. Guys, this is the end of the video. Oh my god, no.
I may put